another exciting day where we're gonna do some Korean. Well, I am. So this is June's episode. I've been working really hard for the last month, trying to keep my streaks up, trying to learn, and so here we go. Let's do this.
안녕히 계세요.
I believe that's goodbye.
계세요. 안녕히
Stay in peace.
계세요.
So there we go.
안녕히 가세요.
Didn't we just do that one? Okay.
죄송합니다.
죄송합니다. Is it I'm sorry?
죄송합니다.
Yep. I'm sorry. 죄송합니다. Okay. So we've got
저는 가람입니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다.
Okay, so I am say it again.
저는 가람입니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다.
I am Garam.
처음,
Nice to meet you. Chorum. Okay. So I am Garam. Nice to meet you. Yay! All right.
실례합니다. 죄송합니다.
실례합니다. Isn't that I'm sorry? I'm sorry. Excuse me, maybe?
죄송합니다. 실례합니다.
Excuse me is first.
죄송합니다.
죄송합니다 is I'm sorry. So, alright, so it would actually be excuse me. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Alright. Yay! Alright, let's continue.
고맙습니다. 안녕히 가세요.
Thank you. I think 고맙습니다. Thank you.
고맙습니다.
고맙습니다. Thank you. And what's the second part?
고맙습니다. 안녕히 가세요.
안녕히 가세요. Goodbye? Thank you, bye. Okay.
고맙습니다.
고맙습니다. Thank you. Yay! Was that a cat coming out of his hair? Oh, I can't get it to do it again. Oh well.
고맙습니다. 안녕히 계세요.
Thank you.
고맙습니다.
Yeah.
안녕히
Oh, bye. 안녕히.
계세요.
Stay in peace. So bye, I guess. Thank you, bye. Good.
처음 뵙겠습니다.
Say that again.
처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음,
Chon. How'd you say that? First?
처음
Nice to meet you.
뵙겠습니다.
So it's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And how'd you say it?
처음 뵙겠습니다.
Good job. Yay! Alright. Excuse me.
실례합니다.
실례합니다. I actually learned that phrase from Nude, I believe. Is it Nude by G Idol? It says 실례합니다.
처음 뵙겠습니다. 저는
The main reason I'm
듀오링고입니다.
actually even learning Korean is so that I can understand K-pop better. And I want to understand a bunch of languages better. But all right, so let's see what we got here.
처음
So,
뵙겠습니다.
nice to meet you.
듀오링고입니다.
I am Duolingo, or Duolingo is.
저는
I am.
듀오링고입니다. 뵙겠습니다.
Nice to meet you. I am Duolingo. Nice to meet you. I am Duolingo. Awesome. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
죄송합니다.
죄송합니다. Are you okay? Are you? And then, okay can be that word too. All right, so
괜찮습니까?
say it again.
괜찮습니까?
Samika. Good job. Okay. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay. Excuse me.
실례합니다.
And thank you.
고맙습니다.
Yay! Almost there. I don't want to make it a bit harder. Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
안녕히,
안녕히.
안녕히.
Wrong. All right, so let's try to figure this out. So, let's see. 안녕히 가세요. So I would have had to have added this 가세요 twice. I'm all right. We got this.
처음
No, that's not it. It's this one.
저는
And where is karam? Karam.
가람입니다.
Nice to meet you. Ay, ay, ay. Sache.
처음
Meet you is, yeah.
뵙겠습니다.
Okay, let's see. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right. Woohoo! Let's review the one you missed. Okay, what did I miss? Oh yeah, goodbye, goodbye. It's
안녕히 가세요.
안녕.
안녕히
Where is it? There it is.
계세요.
Okay, that should be it. Yay! 94%. Good job. All right. 57-day streak. All right. Halfway to a perfect week. Woohoo! Moved up 5 levels out of that demotion zone. All right. Now, let's do some letters.
파,
All right. We're going to scooch ourselves over just a little bit there. This is P. Pa. Correct.
파,
I get to draw it.
이,
E. my language an I.
피, 파, 이, 타,
Ta.
타,
All right. I think it's cool that the E, this looks like an E to me. It's actually a T, but at least it rhymes with T, you know? E-T.
에,
Helps me to remember it better. A. A is actually an E.
태,
타, 에,
Te.
피,
P.
태,
Let's see.
파,
Pa.
에,
폐,
파, 에,
Pe.
태,
Te.
폐,
타,
Ta.
이,
E.
티, 타, 이,
Alright. T.
티,
태,
Te.
폐, 폐,
P is this one.
피, 티,
T. This is also
T.
T. Alright, let's see.
폐,
Where is it?
피,
태,
And T. Ta-da! Perfect lesson. All right. 100%. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Look at all this nice stuff. Woohoo! 1 lingot. 2 lingots. Total of 3 lingots. Oh yeah. 2 more levels up. Alright. Didn't show any progress on them, but okay. Alright, well, that's gonna about do it for today. That's a lesson of words and a lesson of letters. And this has been the update for June. I may do a check-in somewhere mid-July rather than waiting till the end of July, because the progress will probably change a lot between now and then. So maybe we'll do one of these in like 2 weeks, or maybe in a week. I don't know, we'll see. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Saidar. See you next time.